The first movement we have is reverse crunch. So we're laying on the floor, feet is flat, knees are bent, hands are down to our side with our head resting on the ground. So to get into the starting position for the reverse crunch, we actually lift our feet off of the ground with our knees bent roughly 90 degrees. And as we initiate the movement, we could press into the floor with our hands, and we are curling our tailbone off the ground. So the knees could be bent in the same angle, and all we're doing is taking our butt and your tailbone off the ground to curl it up just as high as you're comfortable going, and pausing at the top and coming back down to the starting position is just where the tailbone is on the floor, but the feet could be off of the ground. So with all movements for beginners in particular, move up and down slowly, pause at the starting and end position to really make sure that the muscles are engaging to control this movement effectively. So typically I will recommend you breathe out as you're bringing your legs up or your hips off of the ground to engage the core or the abs, and breathing back in as the legs come back down or your butt comes back down to the floor. That is the reverse crunch.